Good day, everyone. And today, I and my group mates will be presenting our game. I am with Balangen Jose and I am Lahoy Lahoy. The name of our game is the Whispering Tunnel. So, about this game, our game is a 2D adventure pixelated horror game that contains puzzle and also a single player game.
The Whispering Tunnel drops you into a gritty, pixel art nightmare where every corridor is a relic of forgotten construction project. The tunnel breathes through light pulse, walls weep, and distant guttural whispers grow louder the deeper you go. Your goal is simple: survive, uncover the truth, and find a way out before darkness claims you. Game features: pixelated graphics, retro-style pixel art format, creepy atmosphere, explore the dark abandoned tunnel, puzzle solving, overcoming obstacles, and progress through the tunnel.
Team objectives are: survive the tunnel, make it through without dying or being caught, collect items, gather essential items like flash batteries, health packs, or keys, find the exit, locate the exit to escape the tunnel. Audio monsters: subtly evade or distract monsters to audio confrontations.
So, the expected outcomes of our game is first survival, which the player must successfully navigate through the tunnel, avoid monsters, and find the exit. Next is game over. The player dies or gets caught by monster, resulting in a game over. A third one is completion. The player completes the game, uncover the tunnel secrets, and escapes. So that's all for our presentation about our upcoming game, and that's all. Thank you.